Broadcom's unexpected announcement in May 2022 to acquire VMware for $61 billion, finalized in November 2023, has sent ripples through the tech industry, eliciting a spectrum of reactions. This acquisition, given Broadcom's history with CA Technologies and Symantec, has raised eyebrows and concerns among analysts and stakeholders alike. The apprehension stems from Broadcom's previous acquisitions, which led to significant strategic shifts and operational overhauls. There's a looming uncertainty regarding potential price hikes, licensing model alterations, and the future trajectory of innovation and support within VMware's ecosystem. The long-term impact on VMware's esteemed legacy in the tech sphere is yet to unfold. In the wake of this acquisition, VMware has rolled out substantial updates to its product lineup, licensing frameworks, and commercial agreements, marking a critical inflection point in the technology domain. This period of transition presents an opportune moment for VMware's clientele and partners to reevaluate their virtualization strategies, especially in light of how these changes might affect their operational dynamics and future planning. It's a pivotal time for considering alternative virtualization platforms and technologies, which could mitigate potential risks while unlocking new efficiencies and capabilities. Keeping abreast of the evolving VMware ecosystem and remaining adaptable are essential for maintaining a competitive advantage and ensuring continued success in the virtualization landscape. In response to Broadcom's acquisition of VMware, organizations utilizing VMware vSAN are prompted to reassess their virtual storage solutions. DataCore SANsymphony emerges as a compelling, cost-effective alternative for hyperconverged infrastructure, HCI, suitable for a broad spectrum of environments from small edge setups to expansive data center operations. SANsymphony distinguishes itself with its unmatched flexibility, minimal node requirement for comprehensive features, and advanced data services like DRAM caching, simultaneous I/O processing, and AI-driven adaptive data placement. SANsymphony's versatility extends to its seamless integration with existing or new hypervisors, supporting a variety of platforms including VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, Citrix Hypervisor, Proxmox VE, and Red Hat Virtualization. Its capability to accommodate different hypervisors within a single HCI cluster positions SANsymphony as an ideal solution for those seeking a reliable and flexible HCI system. Transitioning from vSAN to SANsymphony is straightforward, requiring merely a software update while preserving existing IT assets, thus protecting investments. This smooth transition opens up access to a broader range of data services, liberating users from the constraints of VMware's Hardware Compatibility Lists (HCL) and reducing dependence on VMware vSphere. Moreover, this shift can result in significant cost savings, ranging from 30% to 60% compared to vSAN pricing. For further details or to initiate a transition, contact Fortuna Data by calling 01-256-33-1614 or via email at solutions@fortunadata.com.